In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect ManyChat to ChatGPT in a simple and efficient manner. This tutorial is designed for anyone looking to seamlessly integrate these powerful tools for enhanced communication and automation capabilities. Whether you're a business owner, a marketer, or someone just curious about boosting your chatbot's functionality, you'll find these steps easy to follow and understand. Let's start by navigating to the ManyChat platform. Once you're logged into your ManyChat dashboard, you'll want to focus on the Home tab. It's where you generally access your primary controls, so go ahead and click on it. This step lays the foundation for your integration as it's the starting point for accessing the various features ManyChat has to offer. Next, look for the Settings option. It's a crucial step in this process because Settings is where you manage all configurations, ensuring everything's aligned correctly for the integration. Once you locate the settings, proceed by clicking on it. This will take you deeper into the ManyChat interface where you'll find more tailored options for your needs. Now, once you're in the settings, the next stop is the Integrations tab. It's essential to explore this tab because it's specifically designed to manage and execute connections between ManyChat and other applications. Clicking on integrations gives you a broader spectrum of options and makes your subsequent tasks more focused. As you're aiming to connect with ChatGPT, a key action is clicking on API Secret within the Integrations tab. The API secret plays a pivotal role in ensuring a secure link between ManyChat and ChatGPT. By accessing your API secret, you're actually setting up the fundamental backend connection, which is crucial for the seamless functionality of your chatbot. And finally, we reach the integration crux, pasting your ChatGPT API details. In the field provided under the API secret section, carefully paste your ChatGPT API information. This is where your connection is established, allowing your ManyChat application to interact with ChatGPT. This simple act of pasting your details bridges the two platforms and activates the capability for dynamic and intelligent conversational automation within your chatbot. So there you have it, a straightforward path to unlocking a wealth of possibilities by connecting ManyChat to ChatGPT. By following these steps meticulously, you're now equipped to enhance user interactions on your platform, providing a sophisticated and responsive experience. If you have any questions or need further clarification, feel free to reach out in the comments section below. Thanks for watching and happy automating. Peace.